Hi, I'm Dr. Carolyn Clancy, Director of the U.S. Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, or AHRQ. You don't have to read medical journals to know that serious, even deadly medical errors take place too often when people get health care. Estimates place the number of deaths from medical errors at nearly 100,000 each year in hospital settings alone. Most of the time we hear about medical errors happening in hospitals, but they can occur anywhere you get health care or drugs, including doctor's offices, clinics, surgery centers, pharmacies, and even at home. And many of these errors could have been prevented. Fortunately, you can take steps to reduce the chance of a medical error happening to you or a loved one. AHRQ has developed a fact sheet for patients that explains what you can do to prevent medical errors. The most important thing that you can do is to become an active member of your or your family's healthcare team. This means asking questions of your doctor, nurse, or pharmacist, and speaking up if you have concerns about medications, tests, or procedures. First, make sure all of your doctors know every medicine that you're taking. This includes prescription and over-the-counter medicines, as well as vitamins and herbal supplements. Make sure your doctor knows about any allergies and reactions that you've had to medications. If you don't understand something your doctor tells you, ask him to explain it again. Ask questions of your doctor or nurse, and talk to your pharmacist when you pick up your prescription. If you need to have surgery, choose a hospital where many patients have had the same surgery or procedure that you need. Make sure all healthcare workers involved in your care are familiar with your health history, and consider asking anyone who touches you whether they have washed their hands. And if you're unable to speak up for yourself, ask a friend or family member to be with you in the hospital. Medical errors can happen anywhere and to anyone. Being an active, involved member of your healthcare team is an important way to protect yourself. I'm Dr. Carolyn Clancy, and that's my advice on how to navigate the healthcare system.